Hello, and welcome back to another TAC tutorial. Today we'll be going over installing Python external libraries and dependencies using the PIP tool. Today we'll be trying to install MPI4Py, which is a library for Python for MPI. As you can see, I'm logged in to staff.vista in my present working directory of home1 mcollins. And if I try to run the command python3-m pip install --user, because I want it to install to my local user home, MPI4Py, I get a series of errors saying that it cannot install. Next, I'll run module list, and notice that I don't have any Python loaded for my currently loaded modules. If I run the command module spider python, I can get some helpful tips from the lmod on how to load Python correctly. With this information, I'll run module load gcc, followed by module load Python 3. Now, as I run module list again, you'll see that I do have Python as a loaded module. And if I try python3-m pip install --user MPI4 one more time, you can see that MPI4 installs as desired.